In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ehlers Loops in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get this indicator onto your chart so you can start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. At the top of your chart, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in indicators, community scripts, and favorites. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the indicator window. Once that window pops up, you'll notice a search box near the top. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. In the search box, start typing Ehlers Loops. TradingView will filter results as you type, so you shouldn't need to type the full name if it pops up early. When you see Ehlers Loops appear in the list of results, hover over it and click on it once. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your current chart. You should now see Ehlers Loops displayed, either overlaid on the price action or in a separate panel, depending on how the script is designed. From here, you can fine-tune the indicator to your preferences. If you want to adjust any settings, like colors, line styles, or inputs, just move your mouse over the indicator name on your chart and click the settings icon next to it. Take a moment to explore those options so the display matches your personal trading style and is easy for you to read. If you're not already using the Pro version of TradingView and you want access to more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and an overall smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link is a way to support the channel at no extra cost to you while unlocking the full power of TradingView Pro for your own charts and strategies. That's all it takes to add Ehlers Loops in TradingView Pro. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box to find Ehlers Loops, and apply it with a single click.